Hello my friends. I'm going to use up the rest of the paint I had from my colorful experiment the other day with the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. Here's the final painting. It's almost dry, not quite, but I had diluted it with glue and Floetrol mix, and I'm pretty pleased with the way it came out. So I had a good amount of white left, so I mixed up a little bit of some other colors. Turquoise, I lightened it to make it more of a contrast with the bright blue, and a little bit of gold. I'm just going to put it on there in a puddle and then add the rest of this white that has a bit of silicone in it. Hit it with a hairdryer, see what happens. So here we go. I didn't have much paint, but I just hate to waste it. This is just a 12-inch wood round. I'm actually pouring over something that did not work out, so it's not a big deal if this one doesn't work either. Now let's run that out like this. Okay. All right, and here's the white with the silicone. And now the hairdryer on high and cool. It's almost heart-shaped. I'm going to just tilt it this way a bit to make this meet the edge, hopefully. Same thing's happening that did the other day. It's just everything but the part I want to move is moving, but I'm kind of liking what's happening here. All right, well, try something else. Take a business card and rip it into something a little narrower. Dip it into the white and just kind of pull out an edge over here. So I need to grab more color. It's not going to do much. You know what? I'm going to dip it into the dark blue. Now I'll just maybe pour a bit of this white on there. Really down at the end of it. So I'll dip into it. All right. Well, that didn't do anything. I'm sorry I did that. I'm happier with this. I love the center there. I'm not happy. Why did I do that? My idea was to bring some darker blue over there, but it didn't work at all. So let's see if I can tilt that off without ruining the rest of it. Good. It's kind of cute. Let me bring you in and show you the wonderful things that happened in the very middle there. Look at those cute cells. I love the look of those. Kind of like having that solid section up there, that little U shape, in contrast with the blown out part. And let me turn around, show you the orientation that I prefer. Kind of a heart shape. Like that. Well, it's kind of fun. Kind of the poor man's bloom effect. Did I mention that before in a previous video? I may have. I haven't attempted the bloom. I like the way it looks, but I'm not interested in working that hard. So I'm fine with this, and it's always fun to experiment, especially with these ready mixed paints, to see how you can change them up and do different things. So give it a try. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.